Hey guys, welcome to the third episode of Trove. Now, as you can see, there were some changes once again. Yeah, this is my castle. I've came to kind of finish it, I guess. I might do different things to it later on. But as far as castle goes, this is kind of what I was going for. I still have all the stuff inside like before, but I did do some differences. I wanted this outside to refill my potions and stuff like that. I went ahead and went to the loot collector down here. If you go to the loot collector, you can then go over here in your inventory. Right over here, you see it? You see it? Okay. So in that inventory, you'll be able to place that into the on the left. There's this loot creator. You will then go over. So let's do something here for a second, like this mask, right? What is this mask? I don't even know. Anyway, so if I want to, I select it. Then I go over and then go down and press X. Press X again. We'll collect it in the loot. Now that will make it to where the appearance of this mask can change. All you have to do is hold down the down pad, the down one, the arrow down, and you go over to the face here. You go to Highlands, and kablam! We can make it that skull once again. But I'm going to be honest with you, I like the falcon. It looks pretty cool, and it reminds me of Falcon Punch. So, you know, I really like that. And then I like our little furry critter, our new pet, and and the Darkwing. I'm going to call it Darkwing Duck, but it looks kind of like a dragon with like floopy ears. I'm just going to be honest with you. Some type of like long snout dog. I don't know. Anyway, it looks really cool. And, alright, so let's go to another dungeon, okay? So let's see here. We got some huge major dungeons on the left and right, which I can't do alone. I'll have to have somebody to help me out soon. Hopefully this upcoming Saturday. Maybe I'll be able to have somebody to help me. Let's go this way. This thing seems perfectly fine. So let's go this way. What? Is it that orb? Guys, we gotta get in this orb. Dude. I want to get in this one. Real good. Okay, let's jump. Okay. And then jump here. And then jump here. Awesome. Do some parkour moments. Oh shit. Okay. Am I gonna make it? Is it gonna be possible? Wow. Oh no. Ah! If I fall, it's over. It's so over. Oh, damn, I didn't think I was gonna make that one. Okay, let's go back to this one. Go over and then up. Okay. This one. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Cool. What is this? There are stuff in here. Can I just kind of cheat and go into this building mode? How do you get in this? You know, guys, wait, what's behind? Nothing? Okay. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be stupid as hell. Okay. Oh, I can't deploy nothing. Oh. Because I was in building mode. Oops. Okay. Click out. Do that. Die. Okay, I'm up. Oh, bro, really? Oh, shit. Oh, that one. Fire. Yeah, take it. I don't know if I'm supposed to go into the dungeon. I don't see any ways in. So I just assume. Okay, cool. Oh there's a portal. Dude, we gotta go through that portal. We can't go through this one. We'll go through that one. Go back the other way. Okay, let's see what's in this loot. What is that? Dazed gazers? It's a weird face. That is weird. And then, what is this? Faya Circulate. A epic hat. It looks like a bunch of flowers. Alright, let's... Oh, there's something else. What is this? Some weird hand cannon? It's a empowered flower pot. Wow. Okay. Alright, anything over there? No, just fire cannons. Okay, let's go into this dungeon the right way. Because we did not. Yeah, destroy them. Get them. Alright. Oh. No. Deploy! Deploy! Oh gosh, man. Oh, cool. They got taken out. Alright, alright. So, what else is that? We go further down? Is that... That's an odd dungeon. Oh shit. Oh! Oh! No! Attack him! No! That's something. Attack that. Yeah, there you go. No! Oh dang, I'm out. I'm out. I gotta wait for it to load. No? Still out? What am I waiting on? No! Dang it. Dang you. No! Come on! Fire! Fire away! Dun-dun, dun-dun. Oh shit. So we were supposed to actually go up this thing? Oh! You know, that makes more sense now that I think about it. But I didn't think about it. I just kind of saw something up there. It was really cool. Look at this ice. It's so nice. It's so pretty and vibrant. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Ooh! Oh, dang. What? Oh, freak. Oh, freak. It's dark. I can't see. I could easily get mauled. Okay, so that was the entrance. Oh, shit. What? Oh, dude. Look at this huge ocean. I'd get so freaking lost in there. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see it? That ship in the distance. I'm going for it. Let's go for it. Huzzah! I don't care. I don't care. Oh, dang. No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, giant ass spider. No. Did you guys see that? That's pretty cool. I could just do like a triple, quadruple jump. This is kind of fun. What are those bad people? They're my fellow pirate mates. Oh no. That's a big ass dungeon. Never mind, but I kind of want to check it out. So this is where my true destiny. Hey, Parrot, there's your friends. I don't know. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Nothing. Oh shit. Ah! 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 Get it? Okay. Dang, bro. Take him out. Oh shit, guys. I really thought they were gonna be my friends, but I guess, you know, I don't think it worked out for this. There is, however, a big giant ship, and I kinda just wanna go. Do I have a breathing? Do I have breathing? Does it show me? Do I have unlimited? I'm gonna go to this island over here, okay? Oh, next to the pirate ship, guys! Yeah! Alright, what's on here? Get ready. That guy. Do I have it? Launch. Oh! Treasure trader? Ooh! Oh, come on! What the hell is that? Is that a building? It says a mount. It's a Jelly Knight. I'm gonna ride a Jelly Knight for 7,000? I don't have 7,000. I need more gold. How do you get more gold in this game? Let's go in here. See what's in here. Shiny! Oh, there's a bed to sleep too. Oh, this is really nice. Really well made room, dude. Too bad I can't have it. Oh, and you could freaking ride the ship, yeah! I wish you could drive that ship. That'd be so cool. But this is just kind of like a trading post. It's not so much evil things. Oh, you can have cannons in here too? Oh, dude. What's in here? What's in here? What? Just a bunch of crap. Okay. Nah, that's still cool though. This is the concept, and look at the hammocks. I love it. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we found this. And then there's some weird Tron thing in the distance. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I think I want to go against all these people, but I'm gonna freaking die so quick. Look guys, I got a bomb. If you look at the bottom, towards where the left pad marker is, there's like this black ball. It's a skeleton, guys! Oh my gosh! Yeah, dude! Get it! Get it! Get it! Oh my gosh! It's so cool! It's like a skeleton on the water. It's like a pirate skeleton. And so... Oh my gosh. And I got another bomb. Am I getting bombs from these guys? For like... defeating them? Dude, I kinda wanna battle. I have that. I gotta... Red Scorpion. Oh, quick. Frenzy. Oh shit. Frenzy fish head. Oh shit. Oh, what's shooting? Oh. Okay, so we beat him. We got him. What else is there? Beat all the enemies, man. Beat all the freaking enemies. Ready? Set. Just gotta run around. Ooh. Use potion! Use potion! Ah! Giant parrots, go away! Get him, get him! Okay, alright. Cursed skulls. So what does this do? Cursed skull? I don't know. Guys, I really don't know what this does. Does it mean I won? No, I didn't beat it. It's okay, I guess. Alright. There's just more stuff up there. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think I'm supposed to activate all those or something like that. Okay. Oh, down there. Sucker. There you go. Oh, dang. Let's go. Let's go, parrot. Oh, gosh, guys. Oh, shit. Ah. Oh, dang. Alright, into the dungeon. Oh, shit. No. Out of the dungeon. Out of the dungeon. Oh, God. Am I good? Am I good? Okay. Going back in, but I'm going to deploy that one. Okay. R1, R2, R3, R4. I don't even know what buttons I'm pushing. Bring it out. Motion, motion. Kill the big guy. Kill the small ones. Come on. Get him. Get him. Yeah. Alright. Awesome, guys. We actually defeated a big dungeon. Oh. Broadsider bomber? Freaking shoot, mate. Ow! Just gotta pick it up as we go. And then run. 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 Oh shit. Okay. Whoa. Look. Oh shit. Oh. Was it the top of a volcano? Who puts that there? Who does that? I did not want to fall. Nope, nope. Okay. So what is it? press this to activate cursed skulls. So there's something about this I gotta read up on, but I don't know. Okay. Okay, gonna be that way. Oh, you have to stay within the bubble. Okay. It's just water hazard. That's cool. Ooh, look at that one. Look at that. Broadsider. Oh, it's a broadsider bomber right here. So, get some new looks for our weapon. There's still some people over here. So I guess I can take them out. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, shit. Oh, crabby. Krabby Patty. Okay. Oh my gosh. I swear I got some slow shooting. I don't know how I'm gonna survive. I should have picked the freaking ninja. Oh shit. No, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. It's hot. It's hot. Oh. Did I do it? Oh hell no I didn't. Oh hell no I didn't. Oh hell no I didn't. Pick these up quick. That was some type of fart gun from something. I know what mess this is. Yeah, they said Wolf Princess, but I know it. It's Princess Mononoke. Too much. Oh, I have to. Oh, freak. Let me drop something. Can I drop this? Oh no. How do I drop it? Oh! Select. Oh no, don't select. Move. Move. No, not the fairy nest. This one. Yeah, trash it? Yeah! Awesome. Go pick it up, quick. I'm totally having that as my face. Princess Mononoke. I'm so excited. I really love that anime. So I get some good films. Okay, so I'm not gonna wear it right now, but let's go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll transport back to the hub because I'm lazy. There you go. Get that coin. Get it. Come on. There you go. Some weird ass. What is that? What is this? It's so cool. Futuristic infiltrator. Epic face. I'm gonna. Oh, I can't loot it. And it's got more of whatever I got. So dang it. Guys, whenever you have full inventory, don't do what I do and just keep the crap. Just get rid of it. Just delete it. And that's square, by the way. If you guys didn't know. I didn't know. You guys probably knew and was probably screaming at me, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry I don't know these things. Alright, so let's see. Oh, cool. I can kind of scale. I don't know when I got the ability to jump over and over and over like this. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't remember. All I remember is I was building and I needed to jump and I was like, please let me jump, and I was doing this and I was like, holy crap. And I just assumed it was for the building part only. Anyway, let's go ahead and we'll go to the place, get our Princess Mononoke mask. Yeah. Okay, so goodbye owl. We got some googly eyes, a bunch of other stuff too. But anyway, look at that. Look how weird that is. What is on his face? Okay, so we're gonna go back up here where there's more light. Well, it's kind of getting dark. Oh well. Anyway, we're gonna change it by holding down, going over to the face, and go to hidden. Is it hidden? No, it ain't hidden. It's epic. I could be a marker player. That's so funny. I'm totally doing the Princess Mononoke thing now. Freaking heck yeah. Heck girl.